Hello, once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a Bernina 1230. This is an old machine, but it's a good machine, very solid, strong machine. The reason why the customer brought it in is because the machine is not really accepting to the commands that you're getting on the stitch board here. So let's say you select zigzag stitch on it. Sometimes the machine does the zigzag, but sometimes stays and then goes back and then it stays here and go back. And when I select the different type stitches doing the same thing, sometimes the 3 steps you go 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. Sometimes stay here 3, 4 times and then go into 1 and then sometimes goes back. So something damaged, either the board is completely gone, and sometimes I could fix it, sometimes I can't. So I tell the customer straight up, I'm gonna open it up. I do some electronic work and see if I could get the board fixed. It fits the board, of course. If it is something mechanically, fine. That's I'm not worried about that. Mechanically easy to fix. But if it's something with the board, damaged board, is synchronizing, whatever is damaged, I'll try to fix it if I can fix it. We out of luck. I'm gonna open up the machine, check it out inside, and hopefully we should be fine. Hopefully we should be fine. Finger crossed on that. Board is not completely damaged, because if the board is gone, it's gone. This is the Bernina 1230 that just came in, and I'm gonna start working on it, but I want to show you something. Keep an eye on it. You could see that the stitch is not always getting the same stitch. Sometimes the needle stays in the same spot. So let's try this stitch, and you're gonna see slowly. You could see right now it's repeating the stitches, stays on the same spot. Instead of it doing what it needs to do, it should be 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. It's kind of stays together, sometimes here, sometimes in the center. So that something might be to do with this here. The board has something to do, and it's not telling the machine. Right now the machine is working on a zigzag, and I don't have a zigzag select stitching here. I have a different stitch. So if I select this one, you're gonna see here also it stays in one spot all the time, so it's not giving me what it needs to do. So that is a problem that I've seen before with the board. Hopefully it's not. So let's go in and open it up. Okay, here I have the Bernina 1230 that I've been working on. I'm very, very happy because the actually board, it's good. I already tested out and everything works fine. There's no problem with the board. I checked everything with the board using all my tools here, and everything works fine. Now what I have found out now is that this one here, this is called the zigzag stepping motor, meaning that that's what tells the machine to go here and there, controlled by the main board on the front. The main board on the front, it's all good, but the motor is not good. Sometimes what happens is one of the wires inside, it has a bobbin inside, it has a magnet, it has everything. So when the machine doesn't make the zigzag or just stays in one spot, sometimes it's because this motor, one of the wires is broken inside. It has a lot of different wires. As you can see, there's 2 inside here, plus the one on the front that control everything. Now, I'm not going to make a video on that because I have 4 screws to take it out. But, you got to have all these special tools from Bernina to be able to put it together. You can't take these clips out and just fix it manually. You can't. You must have these special tools. And this is only provided by Bernina with very specialty tools. So I'm going to take it off. And, if there is something wrong with it, any broken wire or anything, I will show you, why the wire is broken. Sometimes it just get completely frozen inside. Sometimes what happens is one of the wires get disconnected, and once you put it back together, you'll be fine. Sometimes we have to replace the whole motor. Bernina doesn't have replacement motors now, but, from all machines that we get, we take some parts out and we save it. Hopefully this is not the case. Hopefully I'll be able to fix it. But right now, I'm in jeopardy because I don't know what's happening. I don't know if the machine is going to be working. I don't know if the actually motor will be able to fix. But right now, main thing is the board is good. So I'm going to take the motor off using a specialty tool designed just for that. Take it off, dismantle the motor completely, go inside and see if something damaged. If I could be able to fix it, fine. If not, I might be able to get an old motor from another machine, and we go from there. So let me just get into the machine now and start working on it. I will show you some video later. Here I have the 1230 Bernina machine that I was not making the stitch. It was just staying on one side, or sometimes jump, sometimes stay. This was not making the correct stitch when you select it. So now, if I select this stitch, I could continue going, and everything's gonna be the same. Before it was giving me different stitches. Now, if I do the zigzag, I'm just going to get a zigzag. Doesn't matter how many stitches I made, the zigzag is gonna be a zigzag. Now, if I select any of the stitches, whatever I want, let's say if I select stitch number 4, maybe, let me try number 4. stitch number 4 gets made. So that means that now the actually machine, it's completely fixed. It's back to the original position where the needle needs to be at. If I select this one, it's gonna give me the back and forth stitch. So now the machine is giving me any stitch that I asked for. So what we had before, like I said, the zigzag stepping motor that is inside was frozen, and it had that piece of damage inside. So I was able to get everything fixed. Now we have make another happy customer. You know, the customer thought that the machine was done, and look at that. Very nice stitch. Like I said, a good machine, quality machine, works beautiful. Everything works beautiful. Back stitch is working fine. So I'm very glad that this machine came back to life, and, you know, have the customer take it home and enjoy it again for many years to come. Okay, I have completed now the Bernina 1230. As you saw, the stitches are working fine. So, you know, it will happen again to other Berninas out there that stepping motor, like I said, I have worked on it before and I have seen that issue. So for me, it was a little bit easier because, like I said, you have the tools, I have everything. So putting it back together is easier. But if you encounter this problem, please do not dismantle that motor. Do not dismantle it if you don't have the tool, because it's going to be a big problem and you're not going to be able to put it together. Remember, I went through a couple of times when I was not a Bernina dealer and I tried to fix it. It was complete failure. Couldn't never get it right until I became a dealer and I got all the tools to do it. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York with another tutorial. Hope this helped you. Like I said, try to open a machine and see inside what it is. And if you see something that you could find that is not actually the motor, then you can fix it. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. Bye-bye.